of you have the same last name. Are you married?
No, ma'am. It's not complicated, but I was married to his
Ms.
brother at one point.
Robledo, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you provide in this matter will be the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand. You may proceed, Ms. Estrada.
Thank you, Mr. Plato. What is the two of you have the same last name? Are you married?
No, ma'am. It's not complicated, but I was married to his brother
Ms.
at one point.
Robledo, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you provide in this matter will be the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand. You may proceed, Ms. Estrada.
Thank you, Mr. Plato. What is the name of the child before the court?
Caitlin Michelle Rodriguez.
How old is Caitlin?
She's 16.
And when was her, what's her date of birth?
It's 6/12 of 09.
Okay. Who is her father?
Rocky Robledo.
Okay. We did discuss this earlier. Sometimes, typically, a lot of our children before the court are a little bit younger than your daughter. Do you have any doubts whatsoever that Rocky Robledo is her biological father?
No, ma'am. I have no doubts.
Does he have any type of a relationship with her or with you at this time?
At this time, no. It's mainly through his sister.
Okay. So, can you tell the court about that?
He's never really, well, he's been in and out of her life, and we just maintain contact with his sister or like his mom, but it's mainly through his sister.
Okay. Did you two ever live together with Caitlin?
No.
How long were you together?
Maybe 3 months.
This hearing opens with clarification about shared last names, quickly resolved when the witness explains she was previously married to the alleged father's brother and kept the name. The witness is sworn in and questioned about the child before the court, Caitlin Michelle Rodriguez, age 16, with a stated date of birth. From the start, the testimony establishes identity, age, and parentage as foundational facts. The tone is straightforward and procedural, setting the record clearly before moving into questions of paternity, contact, and support, all framed carefully within sworn testimony and formal courtroom structure.
Okay. Several years ago, you were in court and there was a paternity action with a different father alleged. Who was that and what happened with that?
His name's Joey Garza, and it was either between him and Rocky Robledo, but since it came out that she wasn't Joey's, then I know that she belongs to Rocky.
And you have absolutely no doubt about that?
Yes, ma'am, no doubt.
Has he ever provided support for her?
For a little while he did, mainly like school clothes, school supplies, but actual support, no. It's just like little stuff like that.
Do you have contact with him now?
No.
Do you know where he is today or why he hasn't ever appeared for any of these settings?
He's right now is in Lubbock. I do know that he was working at some point, but he had got put in jail for a little while, so he had to go to Lubbock to live with his sister.
Okay. What type of work does he do? Do you know?
He was working at
The questioning focuses on Caitlin's father, identified as Rocky Robledo. The witness states she has no doubts that he is the biological father. She explains that he has no direct relationship with the child at present, with limited contact occurring only through his sister. The witness confirms they never lived together with the child and that their relationship lasted only a few months. This portion of testimony establishes minimal involvement, lack of cohabitation, and limited parental presence, which becomes relevant as the court later evaluates support, conservatorship, and the father's historical role in the child's life.
It's like a rest area place.
Okay.
But
Not like those text dot places where you can pull in?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any reason that you know of that he wouldn't be able to work at least 40 hours a week and make minimum wage?
No, he's capable of working, but I don't know why he doesn't.
Do you know if he has any other children under the age of 18?
No, he doesn't. He has an older son, but he's over 18.
Oh, when is the last time you saw Rocky Robledo?
Maybe in 2021, 22. That was the last time he had provided the school supplies for Caitlin.
Okay. The two of you have the same last name. Are you married?
No, ma'am. It's not complicated, but I was married to his brother at one point. I just kept the last name.
Okay. And there's no chance that...
The court revisits a prior paternity action involving another alleged father, Joey Garja. The witness explains that once testing showed the child was not Garja's, she knew Caitlin belonged to Mr. Robledo. She again affirms there is no doubt regarding paternity. When asked about support, the witness acknowledges occasional contributions such as school supplies years ago, but no consistent or formal support. She confirms she has no current contact with Mr. Robledo and provides limited information about his whereabouts and employment, emphasizing uncertainty rather than speculation in her responses.
Caitlin is his brother's child?
No, he was incarcerated at the time. My ex-husband. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Does your daughter have any type of health coverage?
Yes, she has Medicaid.
And setting child support, are you requesting a judgment for back child support?
Yes, ma'am.
And I believe you said that he's never provided anything, or he hasn't in several years. How long has it been?
The last time he provided just basic school supplies, not even clothes or anything, but it was back in 21, 22.
Do you have any safety concerns if your
No.
contact information's in the order?
No, ma'am.
And do you have any safety concerns, not involving him, but involving anyone else who might have
No.
access to a court order?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Further testimony addresses Mr. Robledo's ability to work and lack of other minor children. The witness states he is capable of working full-time but does not know why he has not done so. She confirms the last time she saw him was around 2021 or 2022, coinciding with his last minimal contribution. Clarification is again made regarding her last name and confirms there is no possibility the child belongs to her former husband, who was incarcerated at the relevant time. Health coverage is addressed, with the witness confirming the child is enrolled in Medicaid.
Let's see. Do you think you'll exercise any visitation?
No, to be honest, no.
Is there anything else you think is relevant that you would like the judge to know?
I mean, he's always had access to her, to talk to her, to come and see her when he wanted to, but he never really did. He just not played it off, but just, man, she's there, so I'll just go and see her whenever. And that was the last time. In 2021 was last, or 2022 was last time he's seen her.
Does your daughter know who he is?
Mm-hmm.
And how does she address him, or what does she call him?
She calls him uncle. She doesn't really know him as a father. She knows he's her father, but he never acted like a father.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Leto.
The discussion turns to child support and safety concerns. The witness requests retroactive child support and confirms there are no safety concerns related to including her contact information in the court order. When asked about visitation, she states she does not believe the father will exercise it. She explains the father has always had access to the child but chose not to maintain a relationship. The witness confirms the child knows who her father is but calls him uncle, stating he never acted like a father despite biological acknowledgement.
I believe that's all I have, Your Honor. I'll pass the witness and rest and close.
Okay. Ms. Robledo, did you show up for DNA testing, take the child for DNA testing on this case?
Yes, Your Honor, we did.
Okay. And evidently, Mr. Robledo never showed up or never took the testing?
No.
Your Honor.
Did he contact you regarding the DNA testing?
No.
Have you ever told him that he wasn't the father of the child?
No.
And were you married to Joey Garza?
No.
Did Mr. Garza act like he was the father of the child?
No.
Has anyone else held themselves out to be the father of the child?
Mm-mm.
When
No.
was your action with Mr. Garza? When was it completed? Do you remember when that was?
When we took the DNA test,
Yes.
I think it was in 2012, 2011.
And so you only ever thought it was between Mr. Garza and Mr. Robledo?
Yes.
After the witness rests, the court confirms that DNA testing was completed by the witness and child, while Mr. Robledo failed to appear or participate. The witness confirms she never told him he was not the father and clarifies she was never married to Joey Garza, nor did Garza act as the child's father. She reiterates that only two men were ever considered in the paternity question. This testimony closes the evidentiary portion, reinforcing the uncontested nature of paternity based on sworn statements and procedural history before the court.
All right. Do you have any other testimony, Ms. Robledo?
No, Your Honor, that's everything.
All right. Close, Mrs. Estrada.
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to establish paternity of the child, Caitlin Michelle Rodriguez, that Rocky Robledo is her biological father. We'd also ask that Mr. Robledo be designated as a managing conservator and that Mr. Robledo's visitation be specified by the court as possessory conservator, that child support be set pursuant to the minimum wage presumption with no other children, that Ms. Robledo maintain enrollment of the child in a government medical assistance program, that the court consider retroactive child support, and I believe that she has said that non-disclosure is not necessary.
Okay. I have one other question, Ms. Robledo. The last name of your child is Rodriguez. How did she get that last name?
That's my maiden name.
Okay. And you want to keep that her last name, or do you want it changed to Robledo?
She wants to keep it Rodriguez.
Okay. Do you have any other requests, Ms. Robledo, other than those mentioned by the Attorney General's office?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. By testimony, I do find that there is sufficient evidence to establish Rocky Robledo as the father of the child. The last name of the child will remain the same, Rodriguez. I will name Ms. Robledo sole managing conservator of the child with the exclusive right to determine the primary residence of the child without regard to geographic location. I will name Mr. Robledo possessory conservator. But due to the age of the child, I'm going to order possession and access of the child to be as agreed to by the parties. And I will order Ms. Robledo to maintain health insurance through a government health insurance program, and order Mr. Robledo to pay $50 per month beginning December 1st, 2025 in cash medical support. I will order current child support based on minimum wage, one child before the court, and deducting the $50 for medical, and order $222 for Mr. Robledo to pay in current child support beginning December 1st, 2025. Because another man was named in the past, and Mr. Robledo has not been part of the child's life, I will order retroactive child support in the amount of $2,000, and order Mr. Robledo to pay back at $25 per month beginning December 1st, 2025. Court costs will be assessed against Mr. Robledo to be paid 1 year from today's date. Any party can ask for a new hearing on any of the issues I've ruled on. Also, I'm not ordering a non-disclosure as none was requested. Any party can ask for a new hearing on any of the issues I've ruled on by filing a trial de novo with the Hall County District Clerk's Office within the next 3 days. It must be in writing. It must specify the portion of my ruling in which a new hearing is being requested, and notice must go out to all of the parties, including the Attorney General's office. Ms. Estrada will draft the order, submit it to me for review. Once I've signed it, copies will go out to you, Ms. Robledo, and also to Mr. Robledo. I appreciate you being here today. That concludes today's hearing, and you are free to disconnect from the Zoom meeting.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.